Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be messing around with wheels on the wagon. So there's a set of wheels that I wanted. You can probably tell by the thumbnail or the video title, but I've been after these Sirocco turbines for a really long time. It's like, I don't know, just a wheel that I thought would suit the car really well, give it that OEM plus look. And a few months ago, one of the guys in the VAG group mentioned that he's got a set for sale, and I put my hands up immediately. So I'm going to collect the wheels now so I can do some test fitting. And a good couple of months, I think last year, end of last year, I bought a set of adapters, 5100 to 5112. They are 25mm adapters. So the plan was to actually go to the guy's house, test fit the wheels there, and then just leave it. But he's got something going on, so I thought I'd just collect it from him. I'll just get two for now. They've got tires on them, really skinny, so it's not going to be ideal, but at least then I'll know what they look like and I'll be able to take it from there. So I just got to the workshop now. Let me just show you the wheels quickly. So that's what they look like. Don't have caps. There's some skinny boys on them, but I will mount them up, and I really hope that they fit nicely. I'm a bit concerned about the front. I feel like the fronts are going to be a bit too far out, but the rear should be fine. So that's the adapter on. Should be clearing. So let's see what the wheel looks like. So excuse the skinny tires, but that's the fitment on them, and that is actually so nice. But I'm going to have rubbing issues for sure. So I know the car will go down a little more, but not much on these tires. But I'm just checking fitment. I'm gonna do the rear now. I need caps because it looks incomplete without caps on it. So I've got the two wheels on now. That's what it looks like. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? These tires are too skinny, but just look how perfect that fitment is. I didn't think it would fit that well. The front as well is just... My issue is that if I fit my current tires that's on the LMs, it's not going to... Like, I'm definitely going to have arch rubbing issues. Yeah, that's kind of cool. I need to make a plan with the front adapter. I'm gonna have to go down to either 20 or 15mm, just so that I have some more clearance with these other tires on it. But I'm hoping I can get away with, if you can see that, if I can get away with like my stock tire, it's going to be really, really tight though. But if I can get away with my current tire on the rear, that would be amazing. So now that I've taken all of this in and I know what it looks like, I'm going to mess around with the LMs. So I've got a 10mm spacer that Jamil has. He got some long bolts for me. But first off, I'm going to put the 9J in front and just see what that fits like, because I would love to do a full set of 9s. And then I'm going to run 10mm front and back and see what that fits like. And then I'll take it all off and put it back to stock, and then I'll figure out my adapters and spacers and take it from there. I just put the 9J in the front and it fits really nice. So I tried to move the car forward, so like the fitment is brilliant. Tried to move the car forward, but I was like, why isn't the car moving forward? And if you can see that, it's actually touching the caliper. So the offset on the on the rear is just not working, so I need to run a spacer if I were to do a full set of 9s. Okay, yeah, it's a bit of an epic fail, but I'm gonna try the spacers now. 10mm on that 8J, and that should be more than enough clearance. So I'm testing out some spacers. Jamil has these. They are 5100 and 10mm. So I thought these would be perfect, but the center bore is not correct. It's not 57.1. So he's got these as well. I'm actually not sure what the width is. If that's 10, these has to be 20mm. That's really wide. But I'll just do it for the fun of it, and just see what I don't know if a 20mm spacer with a 9J in the rear, what that's going to look like, but we'll see. So you got these bolts, but these are not 14mm for the Mark IV. So he's going to check for another set. I just can't find the longer wheel bolt for it, so I just put the 8 back in front, and I just wanted to see which wheel I prefer. The light is not great, sorry about that guys, because the light is like coming in from the top, but yeah, that's what it looks like. Let me know in the comments down below. Look, the light is so bad. Which one you prefer? I'm really liking the rears right now. Sounds really cool. Yeah, so that's not exactly everything I wanted to do today, but what I really needed to do is done. Yeah, I'm actually really liking the turbines, so I'm going to make a plan to get them on the car ASAP. And I'll still keep the LMs. I put too much money in it when I polish the lips and straighten them, so it wouldn't be ideal to sell it now, because I'll just make a loss. So I'm going to keep them for a bit, and I'll probably put them on again when I've got some spaces so I can run it nice and fat. But yeah, that is mission accomplished. I'm going to Andrew now, and then he's going to take me for a spin in the Jazz, and then that will be it. So some of you guys asked for more on the Jazz, and I thought I would just get Andrew to take me for a drive in it so I can let you experience the goodness. So I mean, space is tight over here. So we're going out for a spin now. You turn the car down, slightly. You have or haven't yet?
I haven't yet. So
okay. Okay. So there's some clutch slip issues. I mean, you have to remember that this power and torque. What is the torque on the stock?
Stock-wise, it was 139.
Yeah, so a clutch supposedly you need to handle about 139, 150. Is not happy with over 200 newtons. But hopefully it complies. He's kind of warm as well, so it's not helpful.
Oh, I got meth, so.
It sounds so cool.
It does, It's like a little JDM racing.
Ah, that is nice. Yeah. it goes well. So I was telling Andrew we should race, but after I'm driving in it, there's no point in racing the wagon against this thing to just slaughter, because we were like even before, so it's just going to be massive gaps now. Yeah, clutch no happy.
Clutch no. Well, I mean, it boosted well for all of 4 days before the clutch started slipping. Oh man.
Yeah, but it sounds really cool, especially because you just don't expect it from a Jazz.
Yeah, absolutely. That's still weird to me. Like, it feels surreal in a sense. But glad I finally got here after promising myself.
How long have you had this car now?
Almost 4 years.
Flip.
It's a record.
Yeah, this is so Andrew doesn't keep cars long, and he usually just turbocharges it and sells it. That's his current streak. So hopefully the Jazz sticks around longer. So yeah, I thought I would just give you guys a look at the car on its LMs. I really like them. Like, now that I just see it again, I do like them, but I think the turbines might suit the car a bit better. Just that OEM Plus look. So that's the Jazz for you. It's really cool. Work in progress. It's definitely a cool car. That's like, that Jazz has really grown on me. Andrew really loves it for some reason, and now that it's boosted, I think it suits him really well. So that's it for this video. It was what I'm hoping is a short vlog, but something I really wanted to do, and I'm quite excited about the new wheels. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.